he says, Seth says, the idea of original sin, first of all, existed long before Christianity's initiation. It stands for the separation of the self who perceives and that object which is perceived. Original sin represents the emergence of the conscious mind and the strongly oriented individual self from that ground of being from which all consciousness comes. As the birth of man's consciousness came, along with that came conscious responsibility for the fruits of the planet. Man became the caretaker. So, if you combine that with it, represents the emergence of the conscious mind and the strongly oriented individual self from the ground of being from which all consciousness comes. Man's consciousness emerged from God.